This topic is very important before we proceed to addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. And that topic is getting the least common denominator. How do we do that? First, we have to have dissimilar fractions. Next, we have to get the common multiples of denominators. And the third is to get the least common multiple. I will show you how to get the least common denominator of the following dissimilar fractions. You see, dissimilar fractions are the opposite of similar fractions. Why are they dissimilar fractions? They are dissimilar fractions because they have different denominators. Look at this example. 9/10, 1/2, and 3/4 have different denominators. You see, the denominators are 10, 2, and 4, which are different. That's why they are dissimilar fractions. And we are going to get their LCD. How do we do that? We can do that by giving the multiples of the denominators. So I will write here 10, 2, and 4 because we are going to show or get their multiples. So let's do it. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. And 40 plus 10 is 50. Let's have 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. Then 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Now, can you see a common multiple already among the three sets of multiples? Not yet. So what are we going to do? We have to add more multiples. What do you think is the denominator that we are going to add more multiples? You're correct. That is 2. So let's have it. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. And 18 plus 2 is 20. Now, can you see that there's already a common multiple among them? Yes. What is that common multiple which will become the LCD or least common denominator? You're correct. That is 20. So the least common denominator is 20. That's the least common denominator of 9/10, 1/2, and 3/4. Now, let's have this one. Let's have 3 and 1/5, 1 and 2/3, and 2 and 5/6. Just like what we did in number 1, we will just give the multiples of the denominators, which are 5, 3, and 6. So I will write here 5, then 3, then 6. Let's give the multiples of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. And 20 plus 5 is 25. Let us have 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. How about 6? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. Can you see now a common multiple which will become the LCD? Not yet. So what are we going to do? Let's add more multiples to them. Let's proceed with 5. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. And 40 plus 5 is 45. How about 15? 15 plus, how about 3? 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So, can you see now? Not yet. So, let's proceed. What are we going to continue? Yes, with 3. 27 plus 3 is 30. So, can you see now a common multiple? Yes. And what is that? Very good. That is 30. So, the LCD of 3 and 1/5, 1 and 2/3, and 2 and 5/6 is 30. That is the LCD. Now that you know how to get the least common denominator or LCD of the similar fractions, you are really very much ready to proceed to the next lesson, which is addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Good luck!